So Bitcoin stabilizes near $60,000 as altcoins hit highs. So guys, welcome back live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. Going to review this article by Leo Jacobson. So table of contents: altcoins on the move. So Bitcoin managed to hold the line near $60,000 going into the wee hours this morning. So after dropping 15% from its November 10 all-time high, whether it holds the line on is up to for debate. So we have Dutch trader Michael van de Poop suggested on November 16th that the sweet spot is around $51,000 to $53,000 to end this correction, which he called LD. So cryptocurrency analyst Jan suggested the latest drop was more about flushing out excessive leverage in the system, suggesting a steep drop is unlikely. So which isn't the same as being bullish. Popular analyst Plan B appeared to backpedal from an earlier prediction that Bitcoin would end November just below $100,000, clarifying that $98,000 was not based on the stock to flow model for which is best known. So guys, we have a CoinMarketCap podcast here available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. You can check it out. Usually very informative. Lots of interviews between crypto influencers and other perks, guys. So you want to check it out. For altcoins on the move, we have big news. Say altcoins, Crypto.com coin, and Avalanche eats new ATH highs on Wednesday. So Crypto.com reached 0.59, up more than 26% on the day after $700 million deal. That's with $700 million deal that will see the Los Angeles Staples Center renamed Crypto.com Arena. So an Ethereum competitor Avalanche cracked above $110, up as much as 15%. So that came on news of a new partnership with Deloitte to build more efficient disaster relief platforms, tweeted by Avalabs founder and CEO Emin on November 16th. So aimed at giving state and local officials a decentralized, low-cost and fully immutable system that uses the transparency of blockchain to minimize fraud, waste and abuse. So Sarah added that the close as you go platform combines its speed, resilience and stability of Avalanche and Deloitte's Fortune 100 enterprise knowledge. So guys, thanks for watching Zubai Keys. See you in a future upload. Let us know what you feel about this news updates for today. Stay safe guys, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel. We'll be giving out a giveaway to some of our subscribers and lucky participants for our airdrops. So you want to stick tuned to our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers, guys.